Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making something quick and delicious.
Hey, I'm your AI twin. Today I'm showing you exactly how to create your own.
Sweet enough for you.
Skincare time, you guys. Pump, warm it up, and then straight on the face at all 10.
Imagine turning your knowledge or skills into 20K a month. That's the kind of opportunity creators have today with platforms like School. And that's why I created my own school community called AI Creator, a space built for mobile creators who want to grow, but of course, PC users are welcome too. Want to create the videos you just watched? Here's the exciting part. Inside AI Creator, I give you the full step-by-step walkthrough on exactly how to create those videos. Whether you want to make your videos longer or keep your character consistent. Everything from recording to editing to the visuals I use. I show it all. It's not just highlights or quick tips. It's full tutorials that you can follow along with to make the content on your own. And if you ever get stuck, you can reach out through chat or post on the community wall. I'll answer your questions personally or one of my moderators like Zumba.
Hello, I'm
or
Zumba.
even another creator in the community will jump in to help. So, what is School? School is a platform that combines everything a creator needs into one place. You can upload tutorials, build structured classrooms, host discussions, and even go live with your members. Instead of juggling multiple apps, School brings it all together. And because it has a mobile app, you and your members can stay connected anywhere, whether you're at home, traveling, or just creating on the go. Inside AI Creator, it's not just about learning the how. It's about building a system that works for you. I share strategies for faceless
see you
AI
there.
videos, spicy content that can be monetized, ways to grow your channel, and how to turn your creativity into income. I also go live with members so you can ask questions, get feedback, and learn in real time, which makes it feel like you're never building alone. And here's why this matters. You don't need a massive audience to succeed with this. All you need is something you know, a skill you've practiced, or even just a creative way of teaching that can help someone else. Package that inside your own school community, and you've created a brand, a program, and a business all in one. That's where the 20K a month potential comes from. It's not hype, it's math. And it's achievable when you focus on value and community. So if you ever thought about creating your own community, program, or income stream, School is the best place to start. Inside AI Creator, you'll get step-by-step tutorials, editing guides, visual strategies, and live sessions designed to help you create, grow, and monetize your content. Click the link below, check it out, and maybe I'll see you inside.